Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I am here with a small show and tell, and some of these are gifts or given back. Some are from a few thrift hauls. It's kind of a mishmash of everything. But let's go ahead and get started. And before we do that, I do want to give a shout out. Let me see. Oh, I don't know. I don't know when I'm airing this. Well, shame on me for not knowing. What I will tell you is that we are deep into the Give a Scrap hop. So be sure to look in on the playlist. I have a playlist for it. You can use the hashtag Give a Scrap. You'll see everyone's videos. And remember that if you choose and you watch every single one of the ladies and gentlemen's videos for the month, then on April 30th, I will be going live and I will be giving away a journal. So it's worth your time and effort, and they would love to see you. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. So we've talked several times, and I always say, yeah, my mom keeps like liquidating and, you know, little totes here, little totes there, my sister and brother and I will get. Well, I was out of town and Mom came and stayed with Demi. And I came home and I kept finding different things all around my house. And I was like, where did this come from? I did not put this there. Well, down in the area where I stage it for things that are going to get shipped. In that little area were these three items. Now, this one, so I have a small collection of these vintage floral photos. This one must have been my mom's. It doesn't have anything on it, but this was not one I had. So she gifted it to me. When I was just a little lad, standing at your knee, your tender face was always like a lovely rose to me. And though your loveliness may fade and lose its color bright, you still are like a rose to me. Though now the rose is white. Okay. Now these two, I am fairly positive. I'm absolutely positive. I picked these up. Wow. It might have been back when I lived in Chicago. I'm pretty sure. So this one was mine, and then somehow my mom got it, and then I got them back. And this one. So they're old. They've been around forever. I love the, kind of, shabby, not perfect look. So I was happy to get these. And I will probably use them in my bedroom or possibly my bathroom. I don't know how those will fare there. Okay, a couple of other bigger things, and I have lots of little things to show you. So, I really, really, really had a good time doing the school days journals. And so this was a little bit more than I would want to pay for a binder but it was fine. It was $3.49, and I'm not sure where. I had gone to several different places, and I've just kind of had small pick up here or there things, so I just been kind of compiling them. This is by Hallmark, it says, and I liked it because I love it when I can incorporate what's already there into a junk journal. So, by just changing some things up, you can cover the whole page. You can change them up with different, words or sayings or, stuff. And I also like that there's oftentimes these pockets. So I couldn't pass it up. And, I mean, there's a bunch of the pockets in there. There's page protectors in the back. There's also photo pages, which I probably won't. Well, I could alter these as well. But I think it's just neat. There's lots of pockets, and it will be a fun, bright school days journal because, like I said, I had so much fun doing those. And along the same lines, I also found these are word strips. So you would put these, you know, I think they put them around the classroom, or maybe they used them to put their names on things. And then I got another pack of Hello, My Name Is. Not old. I mean, these are probably Dollar Tree for all I know. But a couple more things there to go with the school days goodies. And then just a couple rando things. So this I picked up. This I know I got at a Salvation Army. And it's just one. This is by Olympia. But I just thought that bunny was really cute. And these were inside of it, which somebody must have made. These are homemade. I think we need to keep those out. Actually, we'll just keep all of these out and make something with it. There we go. We'll put it over here and do something with it, Angela. I also picked up, I don't know, now that I think about it. I couldn't see when I opened them up, but why is it? Oh, I know. I get it now. Okay, this is a fax transmittal memo. So you would fill this out, and then this part, you would lay it, because it's sticky here. You would lay, so it says attached documents at the line, and then you would fax it. I get it. Well, I don't know. I can coffee dye them. It wasn't what I expected, but you know, whatever. There were 2 packs in there. So there were those. I don't know that that was the best use of my money. These were, I don't know, they were really, like both of these maybe were like 50 cents. Now I understand why these were. Maybe these were too. So I just picked them up. I don't need really any envelopes, but I do like the double window envelope. So those would be kind of fun, minus the important tax document included. And then I have a random little thing of things. Oh, I got just a few things from, man, I've had these for a long time. These I think I got from Temu, I believe. So it's just some random, these are just like skirt pins, skirt pins. Oh, there's a big one. So I picked some of those. I have some, but I picked up some more. This, oh, maybe I got these to do something with the pins. I don't know. I've had them for a long time. These are just letters, charms. So I'll put those with my charms. They're gold. I wanted to see if they're heavy. So they're pretty nice, but just a standard font. It's not like typewriter font or anything like that. So I'll stick those with my charms. I'm not really sure why. It must have been a weak moment because I didn't really need these for anything. It was a long time ago that I got these. And I've just been sticking stuff away. I did need more of the book corners. So these are all from Temu. They're all the same except silver, gold, and then bronze. So I got those. These are kind of cool. They're a contract bridge scorecard. So I thought these would be fun to put in the game, in my game bundles. And I love putting game bundles together. So there's a bunch of them. You're always vulnerable to serious financial loss unless you have proper kinds of insurance. So this was hosted or sponsored by an insurance company. So there's, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 of those. So I can save one for myself and put the rest in future game bundles. So I was excited about that. I did buy a punch by Creative Memories, I think. I've already put it away. But that's what it looked like. And I thought that was kind of cute. Why this is on here, I don't know. Quite some time ago, I also had a shop on eBay. And so it was just clothing tags, vintage clothing tags. So there's just a bunch of fun ones in here. And I thought they would be great in my fashion journals. I don't have a lot of these. So, yeah, that was worth it. And then, what's this? This must have been in there too. Oh, it's a receipt for something. Nylon bandeau. Susan Holmes nylon bandeau. And then this is from 1962. It's for electric company for 69 cents. So those were in there too. So these will be fun. I was excited to get these. Like I said, it's been quite a while. They were all, I had a bunch of all kinds of tiny things. And then this was just a gift. It's a hanky with some pretty flowers on it. And then this I picked up somewhere. I don't know where, but I thought it was cute. Does it have the tag on it? I think I remember paying $1.50 for it. But I thought it totally fits the bill for kind of a 60s feel, maybe even 50s. So I will be cutting all of that somehow, some way, so that I can use it in those journals as well. And then last but not least is this, and I think this is full of stuff. Yes, it is. All right, so I did find these cute little vintage Easter pins, and they were half price, so I picked them up. So they were 75 cents a piece, but I thought they'd be cute in journals. And I have a springtime journal. I also got, okay, let me just take all of these out because I need to put them away. Now, these were 99 cents a piece. I mean, look, let's see, 2, 4, 6. I got 8 because there's another one I already put away. But I peeked because I was like, I need to know what's in here. I mean, I gotta see before I'm gonna buy, right? So I was able to sneak the bottom of one of these open. And seriously, I have never seen these before. Not this tiny. I mean, they're a 1/2 inch. It says there's 12 in the pack. I don't think I have any that tiny. But I'm like, oh my goodness, the things I can do with these to alter them, and oh, they'll be fun. So I bought them all. Because to me, the binder clips are worth it. I mean, I use them all the time for everything. So yeah, I just don't see them very often. And then this was $1 for all 3 of these, and I couldn't pass them up because, you know, I love eyelet and pastels. So there you go. And then finally, this, I probably wouldn't have bought this, but I think these are really cool. So I envision doing something with those. These will go in my, behind me on my upcoming projects, so I don't forget that I have them. It's kind of my motive. And then we'll create something with them. I'm not sure what. So we want to create something with this. We know we want to create something with these. Will that fit in there? No. All right. Well, all of these will go behind me. And I think, is that it? Wow, that was a fast little flip through. That's it, friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I appreciate you being here. Don't forget, if you haven't, to search the hashtag give a scrap, and check out all of the fun videos of the wonderful creators who are participating in the hop this month. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be entered into the giveaway at the end of the month. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be, and we will see you soon. Cheers.